Hello, this will be a review of a mini LED bulb. This particular bulb is a E14 socket 5 watt LED bulb, which I've purchased in order to replace the halogen one that my fridge came with. This LED bulb lights up in a 360-degree angle. It needs only 1 second to reach its maximum brightness and intensity, and the 5 watt power consumption will give you the light equivalent of a 14 watt halogen bulb. On the back of the package, we see that this LED bulb has a A+ energy rating, almost 500 lumens in intensity, and the lifespan is really good, of around 30,000 hours. Also, this particular bulb has a cold light which outputs 6500 Kelvin. And now a closer look of the product. The E14 socket. And the LEDs. Also, there are 3 located in the upper side. Compare this mini LED E14 with a regular halogen bulb that is found on most of the refrigerators. The halogen bulb consumes 3 times more power, so this has 15 watts. Let's see how they look. So first, the 15 watt halogen bulb that the fridge came with. It outputs a warm light, which is okay. In the footage it appears a bit colder, and it shows better than it does in reality, but it can be better. And now a footage with the 5 watt mini LED bulb. The difference is incredible from all the aspects. It is much brighter, it consumes 3 times less power, and also the cold color of 6500 Kelvin makes it more suitable for a fridge. I highly recommend replacing your old halogen bulb with a LED one. If you can find this wherever you live, having the same specs, buy it, and I assure you, you won't regret it. Also, the light is so intense that I could easily light up the kitchen in the night time just by keeping the door of the fridge opened. Thank you for watching. Take care.